Presenting the 2011 BMW M3. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Enjoy these notable features: climate control, power driver's seat, rain sensing wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, rear bench seat, passenger adjustable lumbar, power door locks, rear defrost, and power passenger seat. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.